Okay, in previous class we started our first lesson, right? Dorothy, the strange land. See, Dorothy started her journey to Emerald City to meet a Wizard of Oz, and she wants to ask him, how can she go back to Kansas again? Right. Let us continue. There were several roads nearby, but it did not take her long to find the one paved with yellow bricks. Within a short time, she was walked briskly towards the Emerald City, her silver shores twinkling merrily on the hard yellow roadbed. The sun shone bright and the birds sang sweetly, and Dorothy did not feel nearly so bad as you might think a little girl would who had been suddenly whisked away from her own country and set down in the midst of a strange land. See, they came out of the house and Dorothy saw there many roads. Many roads were there, and Dorothy chosen a road that is paved with yellow bricks. You can see in the picture she has chosen this road. Okay, there it is paved with yellow bricks, and she started her journey to Emerald City. The sun shone bright and the birds sang sweetly. Actually, it was a pleasant day. There was no rain and sun was very bright, and the Dorothy did not feel nearly so bad as you might think a little girl would who had been suddenly whisked away from her own country. Actually, Dorothy did not feel that. Dorothy did not feel bad, like she suddenly whisked away. Whisked away means took away quickly and suddenly. Actually, that cyclone took her strong wind, right? Took her from cyclone took her from her own land Kansas to a strange land. Actually, she did not feel any bad or a sad feeling. She did not have. Now she is in. Now she is in a strange land and she doesn't know anyone there, and she did not get scared. Okay, and she did not feel any bad, and she is totally positive and strong. Okay, and she was surprised as she walked along to see how pretty the country was about her. There were neat fences at the sides of the road painted a dainty blue color, and beyond them were fields of grain and vegetables in abundance. Eventually, the Munchkins were good farmers and able to raise large crops. Once in a while, she would pass the house, and the people came out to look at her and bow low as she went by. For, for everyone knew she had been the means of destroying the wicked witch and setting them free from bondage. See, she was surprised. When she came out, no, she was surprised. Why? Because she walked along to see how pretty the country was about her, and she saw that how pretty this village looks. Means it was full of, there were neat fences. You can see here beside the roads, you can see blue fences, right? It was looking very neat and painted a dainty blue color. It is fence is in blue color, and beyond them were fields of grains and vegetables in abundance. Yeah, there she could saw many fields and vegetables. Okay, fields of grains and vegetables. And Munchkins were good farmers and able to raise large crops. She thinks that the Munchkins, these short peoples, now they are good farmers. Why? Because she could see there many fields of grains and vegetables. And once while she would pass a house, and the people came out to look at her and bow low as she went by. She passed a house. She passed through. She's passing. Okay, she's moving through the yellow bricks road. No, there she could see some houses. Whenever she passed through the house, these people, whenever she passed in front of these houses, no, these people of the house, they uh, come outside, and what they do, they bow their head. They do like this with respect, and these people are thinking that this Dorothy came to kill the wicked witch of East. Wicked witch of East means it is a cruel witch who is giving more trouble to who this Munchkins. This wicked witch of East giving trouble to Munchkins. So all the people are thinking that she came to kill the wicked witch of East, and they will be free from the wicked witch of East. If she kills wicked witch of East, they will be free from the wicked witch of East. They won't get any more problems from her. So they are coming out, and they bow at her, and they respect her. Okay, the house of Munchkins were odd looking dwellings, for each was round with a big dome for a roof. All were painted blue, for in this country of the East, blue was the favorite color. See, you can see in the picture their houses. Okay, how is their house? They odd looking dwellings. Dwellings means a house, flat or apartment where person lives. These people are living in these houses. How it looks like? It was round. You can see in the picture. Okay, these houses are round, and it is having with a big dome for the roof. See the roof, how it is looking different, no? And all were painted blue, for in this country of the East, blue was the favorite color, and all the houses were painted with the blue color. Okay, blue color. And this country of the East, it is East. Okay, it is East. That is why this East belongs to wicked witch of East. Okay, this here in East, blue is their favorite color. How can we say why? Because all the houses are painted in blue color, and fence also painted in blue color, right? Towards evening, when Dorothy was tired with her long walk and began to wonder where she should pass the night, she came to a house rather larger than the rest. On the green lawn before it, many men and women were dancing. 5 little fiddlers played as loudly as possible, and the people were laughing and singing, while a big table nearby was loaded with delicious fruits and nuts, peas and cakes, and many other good things to eat. Towards evening, it is evening, Dorothy and Toto, they walked for a long distance, and she is getting tired. Okay, walked for long distance now, so she is getting tired. She began to wonder where she should pass the night. She came to a house rather larger than the rest. And what happened? Now it is going to be night. So she wants to stay at night somewhere. It is night now. She is a small girl, and she wants to stay somewhere at night. So she came to a house, and that house is somewhat larger than other house. Other houses are somewhat small comparing to this house, and this house is larger. She came to that house, and on the green lawn before it, many men and women were dancing. And there was a lawn, green lawn, ground was there. You can see here there was a green ground, and there were some of men and women were dancing. Some people are dancing there. Okay. Five little fiddlers plays as loudly as possible as the people were laughing and singing. See here you can see in the picture. They are uh, five little fiddlers. They are fiddlers. Okay, they are playing the fiddle, and the people are singing and laughing, and they are dancing, while a big table nearby was loaded with delicious food. She saw there was a big table there full of some delicious food items are there on the table. What are the food items were there? Fruits are there, nuts are there, peas are there, cakes, and many other good food items to eat. Many things are there to eat. Okay. See, let us continue the lesson in next class. Try to read this lesson at least thrice. Okay. Try to read 3 times this lesson, and this is your homework. Okay. Today's homework. I think you don't have textbook. Okay. 5th class now. Okay. I'll be sending the photos of these pages lesson. You just see it and read it properly. Okay. This is your today's homework.